When it comes to investing, choosing the right platform can make all the difference. So let's dive in to explore whether SoFi is the right investment platform for you and what it truly offers. SoFi provides both automated and active investment options, catering to various investor preferences. With automated investing, a robo-advisor creates a diversified ETF portfolio aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This service carries a 0.25% annual management fee and requires a minimum deposit of $50, making it a convenient choice for hands-off, long-term investors. Alternatively, SoFi's active investing platform allows commission-free trading of stocks and ETFs. One of its standout features is its ability to purchase fractional shares, known as stock bits, enabling investments starting at just $5, even in higher-priced assets. On top of that, automated recurring investments and dividend reinvestment options further facilitate consistent portfolio growth. Another notable benefit is its complimentary access to financial advisors, which is a valuable resource. Additionally, SoFi supports a range of account types, including taxable brokerage, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, and SEP IRA accounts. However, it's worth mentioning that SoFi discontinued its cryptocurrency investment services back in 2023. While SoFi's platform is user-friendly and is geared toward long-term investing, it may not suit active traders seeking advanced tools. But if you're looking for a straightforward, low-cost approach to growing your investments, SoFi is certainly a viable option. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.